Hello guys, this is the MEPtutor, and in today's video I'll be solving this integral. So let's use trigonometric substitution and the trigonometric function. We're going to use the tangent. So the substitution will be x equal to 4 times the tangent of an angle, let's say alpha. Okay, so if we derivate this, we get dx is equal to 4 times the second squared of alpha times d alpha. Okay, so let's substitute this into our integral. Okay, we got the square root of 16 times the tangent of alpha squared plus 16. Let's close our square root divided by, okay, we got 4 to the 4th power times, okay, the tangent of alpha, okay, the tangent to the 4th power of alpha times dx. We can't forget this, it's really important. So we have 4 times the second the squared of alpha times d alpha. Now what are we gonna do? Here we are going to extract a common factor of 16, and we can extract that from the square root as 4. So here will remain tangent plus 1, because this 16, when we extract this common factor of 16, will be 1. And we use the identity of tangent squared plus 1 is equal to secant squared of alpha. Okay, we use this identity. So let's do that. We get the integral of 4 times the square root of secant squared. So the square root will be simplified in the next step. Okay, divided by 4 to the 4th power times tangent of alpha, okay, to the 4th power times, we can forget 4 times secant squared of alpha times d alpha. What are we going to do? We're going to simplify this 4 with this, and we eliminate the square root. So let's do this. The integral, so here will remain 16, and we can extract that 16 from the integral. Okay, and we group the seconds. We get secant to the cube alpha divided by tangent alpha, tangent to the 4th power, d alpha. Now what we can do is to express these two functions as sines and cosines. Okay, so we have a 1/6, and the integral will be integral of cosine of alpha divided by the sine of alpha to the 4th power, d alpha. Now we have to do another substitution, and we're going to say that u is equal to sine of alpha. So du will be, okay, du will be cosine of alpha times d alpha. Okay, so we do this substitution here. Let's use another color. Let's use blue. So 1/6 of basically 1 divided by u to the 4th du. Okay, so this is an immediate integral, so let's do it. We have 1/16, okay, and the integral will be u to the -3 divided by -3 plus c. So this is our integral. So we have to substitute u in our result of the integral, and we have that sine of alpha to the minus 3 divided by minus 48 plus c is our integral. Now we have to get back to x. How we are going to do that? Okay, we know that the tangent, okay, from this x is equal to 4 times the tangent. So the tangent is equal to x divided by 4. And what is the tangent? The tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side of a triangle. So our triangle, if we have x and 4, our triangle will be basically something like this. And let's say this is alpha. This is tangent of alpha. The opposite of alpha will be x, and the adjacent side of alpha will be 4. So using the Pythagorean theorem, this side will be the square root of 16 plus x squared. Okay. Using that, we can replace that on the sine of minus 3. We know that the sine to a negative power is basically a cosecant. So our integral, the result of our integral is cosecant of 3, to the third power, divided by minus 48 plus c. We know that the cosecant, the cosecant is basically equal to the hypotenuse divided by the opposite side. So we have that our hypotenuse is this, and our opposite side is x. So the cosecant of alpha is basically the square root of 16 plus x squared divided by x. Okay? So we have this number to the cube, and we replace this on our final integral to find the answer of our problem. We have that this is the square root of 16 plus x squared to the cubed power divided by minus 48 times x to the cubed power plus c. And this, guys, this is the result of our integral. Thanks for your time.